Advanced Diagnostics USA, the leader in vehicle key programming, presents the Smart Pro Lite, a fast, easy-to-use key programmer at a price your shop can afford. Based on the same reliable hardware platform as the original Smart Pro and powered by Ilco Keys and Ilco lookalike remotes, your shop can now perform profitable key programming without the need to purchase tokens, subscriptions, or software. Here's how it works. First, users will download the free My Keys Pro app, available from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. When the My Keys Pro app is activated the first time, the user will need to create an account by following the prompts. After the first time, users will simply log in with their account credentials. Users will now decide what they want to do by choosing from the menu. In this case, the user wants to program a spare key for a customer. After choosing a corresponding Ilco branded key, the user presses the Scan QR code in the app menu. This now activates the phone's camera to scan the code located on the back of the Ilco key package. The user will then be prompted to choose between accumulating Ilco loyalty points with the scanned QR code or converting the code into a Smart Pro Lite token. In this case, it will be converted to a Smart Pro token. After powering up the Smart Pro Lite and entering the passcode provided with the programmer, the user is now ready to start programming. The Smart Pro Lite needs to be on the shop's Wi-Fi or hotspot network by going to the settings icon on the home page. Once Wi-Fi is established, the user enters the My Smart Pro section of the Smart Pro Lite. There, the user will find the token or tokens that have been banked under the Pay-As-You-Go tab. Each vehicle requires one token. Now the user returns to the home screen to access the vehicle make and model, and the Smart Pro Lite will guide the user through the short programming procedure. That's all there is to it. The Smart Pro Lite combined with the My Keys Pro app allows for the easiest and quickest key programming procedure in the market today. For more information on the revolutionary Smart Pro Lite, go to www.ilco.us. In addition, you can contact your local Ilco sales representative for more information.